How to effortlessly nurture Facebook accounts with the RPA templates of DICLOAK. Did your Facebook account get banned after posting, manually browsing, liking and commenting? The account traffic still fails to improve? Need to monitor a dozen accounts for nurturing? With the hassle of frequent account switching, manual account nurturing is inefficient and prone to triggering the platform's risk control. We'll show you how to use the RPA of DICLOAK to fully automate Facebook accounts nurturing, safe and efficient. RPA is robotic process automation. The RPA of DICLOAK incorporates 3 core designs specifically for Facebook account nurturing. 1. Scenario-based templates. We have built-in templates for automatic Facebook browsing, liking posts, videos. 2. Multi-account management. Put the Facebook accounts in the profile, with each account bound to a unique fingerprint and IP. Each account has an independent device fingerprint, as being performed by different users on different devices. Moreover, RPA allows setting different tasks for each account. New accounts focus on browsing, while older accounts emphasize both browsing and liking. Initiate with one click to enable synchronized nurturing for all accounts. 3. Customizable nurturing mode. Preset customizations for each account, including browse quantity, browse interval, and whether to like posts, fully simulating real user behavior. 4. Scheduled execution plus progress monitoring. Set the run rule, and RPA will start automatically on schedule. Access the live status to monitor in real time. Check run logs for more efficient account management. Most importantly, all operations take place in the isolated profile of DICLOAK, preventing account information leakage and avoiding fingerprint overlap across multiple accounts. With the RPA templates of DICLOAK for Facebook account nurturing, you can save time, effort, and reduce risks. Whether you're in cross-border e-commerce or simply want to nurture a few secure personal accounts, the RPA templates of DICLOAK help you better. Click the link below the video to download the latest version of DICLOAK and start nurturing your Facebook accounts efficiently.